Hi, my name is Paul Corley, Ranger at Llyn Brenig. This morning I'm going to be talking to you about some of the things you need to do before you go out onto the reservoir. It's our job to keep anglers safe whilst out on the reservoir. If the wind speed exceeds 4-6, which is about 25 miles an hour, boat fishing will not be allowed. Before you go out onto the jetty, it's very important to wear a suitable life jacket or buoyancy aid. The staff at Brenig will provide you with one. However, if you opt to bring your own, remember it should have a minimum buoyancy of 65 newtons. Remember, when boarding a boat, take your time, don't rush. If you're on your own and you think you might need assistance, don't hesitate to ask a member of staff. So once you're on the boat, check the boat over. Make sure you've got a set of oars, a set of rowlocks and a full can of petrol. Don't unclip the boat from the jetty until you've started the engine and that you're satisfied that the engine's working okay. When it comes to starting the engine, first things first, make sure the fuel line is connected. Make sure the kill cod is in position. The gear shift should be in the neutral position. Prime some fuel and pull the choke out. Put the choke in. And we're up and running. To stop the engine, press the red stop button. Once you've got the engine started, you shouldn't require too much choke. In fact, this might start now without any choke at all. And we're good to go. Once we're out on the reservoir, remember, don't clip the boat onto any structures such as the draw-off tower or buoys. Also, it's worth mentioning that fishing is not permitted within 50 metres of the draw-off tower and 100 metres of the dam. Also, fishing is not permitted within the buoyed off areas around the fish farm. Remember to be courteous towards other anglers. Keep 50 metres away from boat and bank anglers. As I've said earlier, our job is to keep you safe. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to ask a member of staff, and we look forward to seeing you soon at Llyn Brenig.